Hello everyone, this is Jyotsna. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we will see about software testing principles. There are 7 different software testing principles. This is the list of these 7 principles. Testing shows presence of defects. Exhaustive testing is not possible. Early testing, defect clustering, pesticide paradox. Testing is context dependent. Absence of error policy. So here we will see one by one these principles. First principle is testing shows presence of defects. So testing can show that defects are present but cannot prove that there are no defects. Testing can reduce the number of defects but does not remove all defect. Even multiple testing can never ensure that the testing software is 100% bug free. So the next principle is exhaustive testing is impossible. So the process of testing of functionality of a software in all possible inputs, it might be valid or invalid inputs and preconditions is known as exhaustive testing. Exhaustive testing is impossible, means the software can never test at every test cases. It can test only some test cases and assume that software is correct and it will produce the correct output in every test cases. If the software will test every test case, then it will take more cost, effort, etc. and which is impractical. So exhaustive testing is impossible. This is the second principle. Third principle is early testing. Defect detected in early phases of software development lifecycle will very less expensive. So the for better performance of software, software testing will start at the initial phase, that is the testing will perform at the requirement analysis phase. Fourth principle is defect clustering. In project, small number of modules can contain more of the defect discovered during the pre-release testing or shows the some most operational failures. So this is known as defect clustering. Pareto principle to software testing states that 80% of software defects comes from 20% of module. This is all nothing but defect clustering. This is fourth principle. The fifth principle is pesticide paradox. If the same tests are repeated, eventually the same set of test cases will no longer find any new bugs. This is known as pesticide paradox. To overcome this pesticide paradox, the test cases needs to be regularly reviewed, revised to potential find more defects. The sixth principle is testing is context dependent. Testing is done differently in different context. For example, the testing of e-commerce site is different from the testing of an Android application. So it says that testing is context dependent. Seventh principle, which is the last principle of software testing, is absence of error policy. If a built software is 99% bug free, but it does not follow the user requirement, then it is unusable. It is not only necessary that software is 99% bug free, but it is also mandatory to fulfill all the customer requirements. So these are the 7 different principles of software testing. Thank you so much for watching the video.